Hey friends, today I am going to tell you that what are Office 365 groups. The Office 365 group that provides the collaborate technique in your organization, users or teams. You can make a set of people in group and share any information between them. Group. Here is the five types of Office 365 group. First is a distribution group or a distribution list. It and the dynamic distribution group or DDL. DDL means dynamic distribution list. It is also called the group as a list. Third is mail enable security group, and fourth is security group. Fifth is Microsoft Office, sorry, Microsoft 365 group. So first of all, दोस्तों, here is the first group is a distribution group. What is the distribution group? It make easy to send an email to lots of people in one time. It will help to communicate the message within in your organization or outside organization users. And you can add n numbers users in distribution list. So, so basically, the distribution group is only uses for the sending message to lots of people which join the distribution list. Okay. Second is dynamic distribution group. Every time is calculating the number in this group. You, if you will create a new user, it will add auto in DDL, and if you delete the users, it will auto remove the user from this group. It means that if you will create a distribution dynamic distribution group, it means that you will not add the manually users in this group. When you will create a new user or delete a user, it will automatically calculate the numbers of users in this group. And the distribution group, it will not calculating every time. You have to add the manually users in this group. Security group, it used for granting access to Microsoft Office 365 resources like at SharePoint. It can contain the user device details in Azure AD. We could not send the mail on this group. So the security group used for the granting access of SharePoint or OneDrive folders. You can give permission through the group through the users. It can contain the users or details in Azure AD. Mail enable security group. It is a second last. So it use some same like security group, but it cannot contain the user device details. It have ability to send email to all members. So here is the one difference. You can also send the email on the mail enable security group, and you will not able to send the mail on the security group. So, so here there is a one difference between mail enable security group and security group, and one is another difference is the security group contains the user device details, and in the mail enable security group you cannot it cannot contain the user or device details. The last one is the Microsoft Office 365 group. It used for the Teams Teams software for sharing files or a group chatting or meeting group chatting or meeting or video or audio calling etc. So when you will create a M365 group, it will, and when you will be a member of that group, then the in the same group you will show in your Microsoft Teams software, and you can chat there to everyone in which the member already connected to that group. Just like that, if you are a member of the M365 group, you can chat or video call or audio call in a group, and you can send and share the file in the same group. So this is the types of M365 group. And here is the most important topic, uh, the Office 365 group in the M365 Admin Action Center. So I think you have you got the you understand that the same things what I have, what I just explaining the same. So thank you guys, bye, take care.